Welcome to day 22 of our May Reset Challenge. You're not injured, but your body's still guarding. It's bracing for something that hasn't happened yet. Let's give it permission to stop holding and start moving freely again. Let's hit the mat. If your energy feels off, your hips are the place to start. The glutes are your engine. And when they're offline, everything above them works too hard. Lie on your back, knees bent, feet flat. Drive through your heels to lift your hips. Squeeze the glutes at the top, then lower with control. You're gonna feel your hamstrings supporting, glutes firing, spine staying quiet and steady. Strong glutes take pressure off your lower back and realign your entire posture. I promise your core will feel stronger just from this. But if one side isn't pulling its weight, we're about to find out. Hold that top position 5 seconds. Breathe through it. Is your back trying to lift, or are your glutes finally leading? That just reconnected your power base. Now let's balance the load. Now we test both sides. If one glute is asleep, your whole body feels the difference, even if you've never noticed it. From your bridge position, extend your right leg. Drive through the left heel to lift. Lower with control, switch sides at halfway. You're going to feel an isolated effort, a deep glute activation, core stabilizing every rep. Single leg glute bridges are one of the most powerful tools for fixing imbalance and preventing injury. I promise they do more than they look like. The stabilizer muscles this wakes up, they are often ignored and essential. Can you pause for 3 seconds at the top of each rep without wobbling? Are you compensating or holding the line? That just balanced your foundation. Now let's restore softness. Power without rest is just tension. This is where strength meets surrender. Kneel down, sit hips toward heels, reach arms forward, let your forehead drop. Breathe into the back of your ribs. You're going to feel a release in the lower back, a quiet in your breath, a calm, not collapse. Child's pose resets your nervous system, grounds your breath, and gives your spine space to restore. I promise, it's not a pause, it's a prescription. From here, we rise into a gentle back bend without losing the softness. Exhale slowly, count to 5 as your breath empties. Are you softening into the stretch or waiting for it to be over? That just brought your body back to neutral. Now let's lift with grace. This isn't about bending more, it's about rising without resistance. Lie on your stomach, hands on the shoulders, press gently into your palms to lift your chest. Keep glutes relaxed, elbows soft, pelvis grounded. You're gonna feel an expansion through the ribs, a gentle curve in your back, not a crunch. Cobra opens the front body and reminds the spine how to extend safely. I promise, it's the quiet posture correction your body's been craving. This move boosts digestion and improves breathing efficiency too. Hold for 5 slow breaths. Let each one lengthen your spine a little more. Are you pushing through your arms or rising from your breath? That just lifted your posture. Now walk into the day with ease. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered daily to your inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.